Hello everyone, Max here, coming up with the next video. This time I would like to introduce you a very cool agent which is now available on the market. So as you probably know, the Panda bike got leaked and taken away from us recently, but it's not the end of the world because we still have a lot of different agents. Honestly, my favorite one is CNfans. So what CNfans is it's pretty much the Panda bike but in a better version. Not only the shipping is faster and cheaper, but also it's not leaking your data, it's secure and very user-friendly. And you get a ton of valuable coupon codes that you can use for your parcels to bring down the shipping cost to even lower amount. And if you are worried about your hull getting seized, you have nothing to worry about because the CNfans takes the responsibility for your orders, and every package has the included in price insurance, so the package won't get seized, and if it does, the CNfans will cover your package and goods that it contains, so you have nothing to worry about. Be sure to check out CNfans, you have the link down in the description, and also I have made a lot of videos and tutorials about CNfans, so you shouldn't have any problems with just putting your orders on there, so yeah. Also, I'm preparing a spreadsheet for you guys so you can get your items shipped directly to CNfans. Definitely recommend you guys checking this thing out. See you in the next video, bye!